How to Earn Money from ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide. If you are looking for ways to earn money, then you should not worry anymore. ChatGPT will assist you in making money by starting your own business or becoming a content creator, maybe on YouTube or other social platforms. Through ChatGPT, anyone with some number of skills can start earning a good sum of money. Introduction. Chatbots were around for a while, but they have gained popularity in recent years, mostly because of YouTubers. Chatbots are used in various industries, from customer service to entertainment. One of the most popular chatbots is ChatGPT, which is powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 architecture. ChatGPT offers users an opportunity to have a conversation with an AI-powered language model. The chatbot can respond to queries and generate a response that is very similar to how a human would have responded. While ChatGPT is mainly used for entertainment and educational purposes, it's also possible to make money from it. In this guide, we'll explore various ways to earn money from ChatGPT. We'll show you how to monetize your skills and knowledge and turn them into profit. Whether you're a freelance writer, marketer, or influencer, there are plenty of opportunities to make money from ChatGPT. Here are some of the ways to earn money from ChatGPT. 1. Freelance writing. One of the most common ways to earn money from ChatGPT is through freelance writing. ChatGPT is used in various industries, and there's always a demand for content. If you're a skilled writer, you can leverage your skills and write articles, blog posts, and other content pieces for companies that use ChatGPT. To start, you need to create a portfolio of your work and showcase your writing skills. You can then pitch your services to companies that use ChatGPT and offer to write content for them. You can also join freelance writing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find writing gigs. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money from ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. If you have a following on social media or a blog, you can leverage your audience and promote products that are relevant to them. For instance, if you have a blog about digital marketing, you can promote digital marketing tools and services through your affiliate link. 3. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves promoting a product or service to your followers on social media. If you have a large following on social media, you can leverage your influence and promote products that are relevant to your audience. To start as an influencer, you need high communication skills to communicate and build a connection with your followers on social media. You can then reach out to brands that are relevant and can help your followers, and you can offer those brands that you can promote their products or services. 4. Chatbot development. If you have programming skills, you can develop chatbots for companies that use ChatGPT. Chatbots are used in various industries, from customer service to marketing. By developing chatbots for companies, you can earn a significant income. To get started, you need to have programming skills and experience in developing chatbots. 5. Becoming a ChatGPT virtual assistant. Imagine being a virtual assistant with the power of ChatGPT at your fingertips. As a ChatGPT virtual assistant, you can offer personalized assistance, perform tasks, and engage in natural conversations with clients. Let us look at some main points while setting up the virtual assistant. Subheading. Define your services. Create an online presence. Determine your pricing. 6. Providing ChatGPT consultation services. As a ChatGPT consultant, you can assist individuals or businesses in harnessing the power of conversational AI. Here's how you can position yourself as a sought-after ChatGPT consultant. Subheading. Develop expertise. Build a portfolio. Offer personalized solutions. You can become a YouTuber by using ChatGPT. Starting a YouTube channel can seem overwhelming, but with the assistance of ChatGPT, you can simplify the process and increase your chances of success. ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, can assist you in brainstorming video ideas, scripting your content, and even engaging with your audience. Here's how you can leverage ChatGPT to become a YouTuber. 1. Understanding what is YouTube is very important. 1. What is YouTube? 2. Understanding how YouTube works is most important. 2. Getting started, channel setup. 1. Choosing your niche, finding your passion and target audience. 2. Setting up your channel step-by-step guide to creating your YouTube channel. 3. Optimizing your channel, enhancing your channel's appearance and branding. 3. Content creation, unleashing your creativity. Using ChatGPT for content ideation and scripting. 4. Optimizing your videos for success. 1. Understanding SEO, how to rank higher on YouTube search results. 2. Using ChatGPT to create titles and keywords for your video. 6. Monetizing your channel. 1. Joining the YouTube Partner Program steps to become eligible for monetization. 2. Optimizing ad revenue, maximizing earnings from YouTube ads. Thank you for watching till the end. Like and subscribe to watch more videos like this.